It's the person who is behind all of Rushcam's very memorable and iconic looks. StevyWho, how are you doing?
I am very good and very happy with the outcome of everything during the season. Very good.
So how did that partnership collaboration come about where you ended up basically dressing Rushcam for season 2?
Well, basically, we always known each other, we've been friends, and he always commend me and stuff.
Yeah.
And then he was like, yo, the social host is coming up and I would love for you to be my stylist. And I'm like, I was ready. I'm always ready.
Oh, you never hesitate. It wasn't a no. It's okay.
Legit not. I'm always ready. Once it's fashion, it's something that I love, so I never hold back or hesitate whenever people approach me. I'm always ready. Yeah.
What would you say was the best look that you put together for the entire season? That you were like, yeah man, I can't wait for people to see this.
That's crazy.
We have too much to name.
Yes, but I would definitely go with the pink one, the cooking challenge season.
Oh wow! You know, they do a whole entire little homemade version to it and we carry it up. I see if I can insert it right here. Okay.
Yeah, and then the crazy thing about the fits is that sometimes that's not how it's supposed to go, but we'll work it and we'll make it work, and the people, sometimes I get so emotional because people been saying I love the fit, all people want me to know
wow, yeah.
So it's really good, yeah.
How many years have you been doing this as a stylist?
If I tell you the truth, I was a waiter.
Oh wow.
And supervisor, and I quit my job.
Was it during the pandemic?
Yes.
Wow, I'm telling you about the COVID.
I feared do it.
Yeah.
But I was kind of doing it. Big up Amane. I started out with her, and then I said, you know what? I want to do this. I want to venture out fully into being a stylist. It's something that I love. I love fashion. I love clothes. I just love looking good, and I love seeing people looking good. Trust me. So it just worked, and I'm very proud. Very happy.
No, but the talk already in some of the reviews I'm gonna say, is there a particular way where you look on what kind of challenge Rush have and you plan the outfit according to the challenge? Can you confirm that is the whole part of the process? Because I realize Rush outfit them look like them too connected to the challenge them. What say you as a stylist?
Alright, so definitely, because even for the first challenge he was warehouse. And then when he said warehouse, the first thing came to my mind, jumpsuit.
Wow. So I tell you, I knew.
You're right.
Okay, but you're too busy?
No.
You're too busy? So for the persons who would actually want to contact you and reach out to you, where them can find you?
Alright, so my Instagram handle is I am StevyWho.
Yeah.
Stevie with a V and the regular who. Like WHO.
Yeah, okay, so looking forward to see more of your works. Definitely. So you can reach the point where I see a look. I can't say, yeah, man, StevyWho that's behind this.
Yes. Definitely.
So you've been getting support from other people in the industry?
Yes, shout out to Bootleg Rockstar.
Yeah.
Shout out to Troy Orain.
Nice.
There are two other stylists and I legit work with them. So big up to them.
Sometimes it can seem like a dog-eat-dog world, you know.
And that's the crazy thing about it. I feel super great that we are doing the same thing, and them can link me and say, yo, I have a work and I want you to be my assistant or whatever it is, because in all honesty, I'm young in the team.
Yeah.
But yeah, it makes sense.
Alright. So Rushcam, oh Lord. Alright, so now I'm with Rushcam. Rushcam, I consider yourself what the muse, where you consider the person, your client? StevyWho's client, and he's the person who's responsible for all of your looks for season 2, right?
Yes.
Talk to me, Stevie. Is he easy to deal with? To work with? When they say, this look I have for you, is he receptive?
I mean, we work together so well. I'm willing to take inputs. Once we both work together and I am happy and he's happy, that's it. I don't care about anything else.
Rushcam, what was one look that when Stevie bring it to you, you said, why? Why? This you have to convince me for go for this knocker.
Which one was I not so?
Which one?
Which one was it?
Tonight.
The red.
The red.
We were working on it. The red.
Oh, you sold him on the red outfit.
We sold each other.
We sold each other on it. We were literally in the boat, rowing together, and we said, how are we going to figure this one out? We knew we wanted to have a certain look. We wanted to do the tool.
Yeah. Oh,
You know,
okay.
you know tool?
But no, I have
Yeah.
an idea. I was pretending so people
The
don't think that.
see-through fabric.
Oh,
pad
okay, okay.
The bride put on the top of her head.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So we knew we wanted that, and then we were just like, let's build around it. Red.
So pretty much this collaboration is all about taking a risk because I realized, because of course, like Jamaica, we love to play it safe. Like we have the same Alpha Tree, Limelight type of fashion. And anybody will even try anything out of that is like, whoa, what is this? So like, y'all weren't like, I guess like hesitant or a little bit kind of nervous about like stepping forward some of the looks.
I think after episode 1, when we kind of pushed the boundary a little bit in the green jumpsuit, the one that you love, the chlorophyll one,
yeah.
we were like, okay, we're definitely doing something different, and so it was now like a purpose thing.
Nice.
Like we're like, all right,
Yeah.
if people aren't polarizing and having opposing views on it, we're not doing enough. Yes.
So I realize you've been really rebranding yourself in a car. Like, I don't know I'm to the YouTube Rushcam, but I realize there's a rebranding. Like, what would you describe this change to be? And do you consider it like for the better?
I wouldn't say that it's a change or a rebrand. I would just say that it's an unlocking of another part of me.
Oh.
Yeah. I would say that like
Yeah.
there are untapped parts of me that probably I would not have been comfortable expressing before because, I was just getting into it.
Yeah.
But definitely now we're just seeing different layers to me and who I am.
Okay, so I guess
Very press, PR.
yeah, very, very yeah man. You know the strips.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's
so-
right there waiting on me to make sure that I say the right thing.
Yeah. Alright, so for season 3, if you're back, where in your mind you think you'd want to carry the looks to them, Stevie?
Well, let's go Mets.
Okay.
Above and beyond. Like,
Okay.
yeah, if people now judge it and say, man, what that? Like, I feel like it don't make sense because, I mean, we're, as much as we're Jamaicans, people look up to us for
Yeah.
fashion. And if it's one thing, like, when I do my job, and even when I go there personally, I want people to be
Like, whoa.
like, whoa.
Yeah.
I want people to say that's crazy. So we don't want nothing normal or
So I'm
simple.
gonna ask the last question here, like Rush. You look at the Met Gala this year. The category was what you call it. The theme was Chanel.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you saw that, when you have one conversation and say, if we did get invited,
We like-
how would I approach the look? We think you'd go for?
We never necessarily said this is the look we would have given, but we definitely had our favorites. Like the Rihanna and Tiana Taylor.
Okay.
And that kind of vibe. So we definitely discussed what we liked. The light gone,
Yeah, gone
Yeah,
right
man.
so.
And,
Well,
and the Lord said,
that is it for this interview, so take care. Yeah man, big up.
All right,
Yeah,
thank you
bless,
so
thanks.